In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Facebook API, all right, so that you can track your events and everything that is going on your website. We call it server side-by-side tracking. So instead of just relying on pixels only, you need to track with both API and the pixels, right? Even though iOS devices are blocking tracking, with your API set, you'll be able to track your ads events effectively so that your ads is going to optimize and get you your ID buyers or ID leads more efficiently. All right. So to do it, come to your WordPress website, come to plugins, click on add plugins. Right. Click on add plugins. Then come here and search for pixels your site. All right. Search for pixel your site. Now you're going to see this plugin here. Look at it here. This plugin that says pixel your site, your smart pixel tag and API manager. All right, look at it, an API manager. Install this particular plugin on your WordPress website. I've already installed it. That is why it's showing update now. Right. So once you install it, once you come to this part of your, once you scroll down to your WordPress, you are going to see it here. Right. This is the plugin. Pixel your site. Just click on it. Click on dashboard to install your API. This windows that shows general. Right. You want to come to Facebook, click on this setting. Yes, click for settings. It's going to open this windows for you. Right. Now, how do you get your Facebook pixels? Log into your Facebook business manager. Right. Go to your event manager on Facebook. Right. Let's refresh this now. To access your pixels, come to this side of your screen on your ads manager. All right. So you are going to see something like event manager here. All right. So just click on this all tools. Once you click on this all tools, click on this event manager. All right. Click on event manager. Then it's going to take you to this windows. All right. Then click on data set here. Click on this data set. All you have to do is to click on settings. This settings here. Click on settings in your Facebook ads manager. Right. Now this is your pixel ID. By the way, this is not how to create a pixel. I've already done a video on how you can create a pixel. Right, just check the description of this video for the link on how to create a pixels. So if you want to copy your pixel ID to your website, right? You come to your website, you click on these settings, then you scroll down. Now you're going to see where they say enter pixels, formerly meta pixels, formerly Facebook ID. Paste the pixel number here. Once you've done that, come to event manager again, scroll down. Now you're going to see conversion API. This is where you now copy your key, right? So copy your key, scroll down and click on this generate access token. All right, once you click on that, it's going to show you these windows. You want to make sure that you select the right pixel you want to integrate the API with, right? Which I've already selected here. Now click on generate access token, right? So let's just wait for this to open now. Right, good. This is the access token. Now just copy this code. Once you click on it, it's going to copy it. So now, guys, you see this place that says conversion API recommended. Now, this here you now paste the token we copied. Right, just paste the token here, which I just did. Right, just paste the token here, and it's going to appear. Once you are through with that, scroll down. I'm going to see these settings. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I'm going to see this setting that says save settings. Just click on it. Save settings, right? And your settings is going to be saved. Good. Congratulations. You have successfully installed conversion API on your website, all right? And you can now be tracking both stuff side by side. Let me quickly show you how you can create an event. All right, to create an event is very simple. Now come to your Facebook, come to your event manager again, click on these settings here, right? Once you're on the settings part of your pixels under your event manager, just look for this event setup tool. All right, click on it, event setup tool. Now enter the URL of the page you want to track. All right, is it a thank you page to a sales or a thank you page to a lead generation? All right, now I'm going to paste a thank you page here now for a sales. All right, so let me paste the thank you page here. Click on add events. Right, what this means is that Facebook, anybody that lands on this page, record it as an event for either a lead or a sales. Right now, this thank you page now is a success URL after someone has made and other, right? So anybody that land on this page, Facebook should tag it as an event for purchase or for sales, right? Or for lead. If you are driving if you are doing lead generation, you want to tag it as a lead, all right? Right. So guys, once you do that, it's going to take you to this page, right? Now what you want to do, you want to track, you want to click on track a URL, right? Set an event. You want to select purchase. Let's say this your title page is a lead generation. You want to select lead, but now we are tracking sales. So I'm going to select purchase here, right? Then I'm going to say URL is equals to, just leave this as the default URL to your title page, right? Now you can now scroll down. You can now scroll down and click on confirm, right? Good. Then click on finish setup. Then click on finish, right? Click on skip. Right, good. Well, now we have successfully created our um event. All right. First of all, you want to load the page. All right, you want to load the page. Right, load the page. How do you know that you have successfully installed your load the page to make sure that it's triggering? Then come to event manager. Right, come to event manager. Then now you're going to see that the pixels is now working. That is how you know that you have successfully installed your pixels. Right, click on it. Now this is how you know that you have successfully installed both your API and your meta pixels. Once you come to this your data set, click on overview, right? Then you're going to see some graph here, some dots. Point to the dots. You're going to see event received, browser 11, server 11. Now this your browser means pixels. Why this your servers mean your API. We're successfully set up is server side-by-side tracking. Yeah, right. Once you see this report here, once you start seeing this multiple on your event manager overview, just know that you're successfully integrated your API and your pixels. Alright, you just want to make sure that you load the page over and over and over before you come here. Alright, just refresh the page. Now, what you need to create that is very simple. Come to your all tools. Right, come to your all tools. Come to your ad manager. So come to your ad manager, click on create as if you want to create an ad. Right. By the way, I already did a video on how you can create Facebook ad in 2026 step by step. Alright. So I'm going to link it at the description of this video too, just in case you don't know how to create a good ad. Right. So I will just scroll down. I'll click on save. Right. Since my event I created this for purchase. Right. So make sure you check the description of this video. I'm going to link a video on how you can create ads from scratch step by step. For now, I'm just going to show you how you can actually use what we created now to run an ad. Okay, so guys, once you come here, under your asset level, your conversion location, select website, select maximize numbers of conversion. Then under that asset, you want to select the right pieces, right? Then scroll down. Under conversion event, select purchase, alright? Select purchase. With time, this thing is going to show green, alright? It's going to show a green once it has reflected. Just select purchase, right? And that's how you actually create a conversion ad using pixels and API, alright? I hope you find value in this video. If you find value in this video, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips on how to run profitable Facebook ads right now, right? And until then, I'm going to see you on my next video. Peace.